sabi ng parents mo?
About the break.
No, about the relationship na sobrang in love.
They let me do what I want because they also like James very much. But I didn't like it for myself as well. It got
So kaya nagkita na kayo after
we bump into each other once in a while.
Pero hindi kayo napapansinan.
once in a while. Saan yun? Gaming?
Actually, kasi we have the same common friends.
So, pag nagkikita kayo, hi, hello.
Wala. Parang dead na lang. Like, we
Nagdededmahan sila.
look at each other.
Bad, ano nga, bad break up. Kasi hindi kayo nag-uusap. Diba?
Do you still love it?
I think that you can never unlove a person. Especially 3 years is not something you can just let go of. But I care about him. I care about him a lot.
What if bumalik? The chance.
I think not right now.
May girlfriend ba siya?
Not that I know of. I think he's also focusing on his career.
Pero ikaw,
Ngayon, may boyfriend ka ngayon?
I'm scared.
So after James, wala na.
Nagkatrauma ka dahil kay
I mean,
James.
there are some guys, but then I don't want anything serious.